friends, Running Kimono here, and we are going to be talking about this very unique, earn $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. It's a booster that some of us received, and then we're going to talk about how this whole cart, except for the Purcell, is going to be freebies. I think the Purcell is 99 cents. And then some of us also received this one, which is 10 back when you spend 30 on Allergy. And we'll look at this one at the very end of the video. Okay, so if you could possibly do me a huge favor, our neighbor's cat showed up yesterday, and we call her Big Moo. If you could possibly give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. My husband was grilling some steaks, and she showed up and started doing all this cute stuff, so we gave her a little bit of kibble, and she was so happy. So that was the fun stuff around here. Okay, let's talk about this booster. Not everybody gets it. Probably 30% of you receive it. I didn't get it either. I got the Allergy one. But some rules for this is it's valid from the 18th to the 20th. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That time frame only. And it's only a one-time use, so a one and done. And if you have a paper booster and you want to do this in store, yes, it will stack. For the balance, use your debit card or credit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash, store register rewards, or IVC coupons, or it's going to dip the value of the booster below. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at, and a lot of deals of the week, but we want to get the biggest savings. Have your best friend loaded, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10, and pick and choose wisely what deal you want to do. We're going to grab either two of these bar soaps, and we haven't seen bar soap this cheap in a long time, or alternatively the body wash, whichever one is preferable. I got bar soap earlier in the week too. Have this digital coupon loaded, which is a 4 off of 2 digital. So here's the math for this one. It's very easy peasy. Two of these at $7 a pop is 14. Have your booster loaded. Subtracting that $4 digital, you're going to pay 10 with your debit card, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, plus a $4 register reward, making this free and a $4 money maker. Let's not forget not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at, you need your best friend loaded again, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. And I am so jealous if you received one of these. We're going to do this deal curbside, and we're going to grab one of these giant Purcells, and as a curbside price, it's $13.99. In store, it's $14.99, which is like an extra dollar. I don't know why, but it's just the way that it is. Now, load this digital coupon, which is a $3 off. And if you love Purcell, this is the deal for you. And I know a lot of you love this specific detergent. Putting one of those in a basket, curbside again. So you order this cell phone, desktop, computer, whatever, $13.99. Have your booster loaded. The $3 digital will come off. With your debit card, you're paying $10.99. And yes, you've reached your $10 threshold after digital coupon, so it should work. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making this big mama 99 cents. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or you won't get your $10 back. But what a great deal, especially if you love this detergent. This next deal is just a little mismatch of deals of the week again. So we're going to grab two of the $3 Crest dental care products. And then we have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. Please make sure you have it loaded for this deal. Now, to get our basket right to the $10 mark, because we're only at 6, we're $4 short, we're going to grab this gorgeous 3-pack of the Pantene for $6. They're called Rescue Pro Miracle. It's some sort of conditioner you put into your hair. And then have this guy loaded, which is a $5 off digital coupon, like $1 for 4 of those. Yes, please. Okay, so we're doing this one in store because there's register rewards involved. 2 of the Crest for $6, 1 Pantene rescue oils for $6. That's $12 on the nose. Have your booster loaded. We have $8 in digitals coming off, 5 for Pantene and 3 for Crest. With your debit card, pay $4. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash for that booster, and then a $3 register reward for Crest, making this free plus a $9 money maker. This is extreme couponing right here. Remember, as you're using that booster, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Okay, so deal number 4. We are going to make sure that our best friend is loaded, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. Have them loaded. And we are going to grab 2 of the Nature's Bounty supplements. They are $9.49 at this store, and we're doing this in store. Have your best friend loaded, which is a $3.50 off of one of these. It'll come off of the one buy one get one free promotion. And then we're also going to grab a candy or a couple of them to get the basket well past the $10 mark, because it's $9.49. And these are 3 for 99 cents, just a cheap item, whatever you want in store. Grabbing 2 of the Nature's Bounty, $9.49, and then 2 of the candies for 66 cents for a total of $10.15. Have your booster loaded digitally. $3.50 digital is coming off. Pay $6.65 with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making this free, plus a $3.35 money maker. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. This is a super smart deal. Okay, so now we're going to look at the last deal with this booster. You have to have your friend loaded. $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $10. And please pay attention to that date, 18th to the 20th. We're going to grab one of the men's razors for $12 and one of the ladies' razors for $11. The promotion on that is that when you buy 2, you're getting $10 back in Walgreens cash. We're going to load the following digitals that include the $3 off for the men's and the $3 off for the women's. Now, here's the thought, guys. If you don't see these digital coupons in your folder, just throw 2 into a basket for a curbside and see, are they attaching yes or no. So anyhow, back to the deal. 2 of those razors for $23. Have the booster loaded. $6 in digitals coming off. You're going to pay $17 with your debit card and get back $20 in Walgreens cash. $10 for the booster, and then $10 for the weekly promotion of buy 2, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. It makes this deal free plus a $3 money maker. That's a superb deal for Gillette especially. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Okay, the last deal that we're going to look at involves this allergy booster, and I got it on both of my store cards, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $30. I believe the start date for this will be the 18th to the 20th as well. What I recommend is, because I see it in the app, but yet it's not activated yet, is to throw $30 from the comforts of your home, or if you want to do this as a curbside pickup, by all means. But just to see, is it working from your home? Because it's a weird one for whatever reason, but I think it's going to be activated later in the week. So yeah, load this one. And just to let you know, if you have another booster that you didn't use this week, such as this one, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25, yes, the 2 will stack. And if you have a paper one, you're going to get a triple stack in store, but you have to buy at least $30 of allergy medications. That is the key thing. So what we're going to do is grab Nasonex this week, because these gorgeous coupons reset, a $7 off and then a $10 off. So load both of them, and we're just going to go really hard on the Nasonex. So we have one for $12.99 and one for $22.99. So you are well past your $30 basket to use those specific boosters. So throwing them into a basket for $35.98, $17 in digitals coming off, $21.14 with your debit card, pay that down. Don't use any Walgreens cash, and you should get back at least $10 for spending $30 on allergies. If you have that other booster of spend $10, get $25, you'll get that as well. Throwing in a paper booster if you might have it, you're also going to get that as well. I would recommend to do this in store, because I think with allergy, it's buy 2, get a $5 store register reward. Double, triple check that. But this is one I would throw into a basket as a digital curbside to see how it's shaking out, because I could not get the 10 back when you're spending 30 showing up for me. So I think on Thursday it's going to be activated. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.